It's finally warm enough. We can go for morning walks again. Hello! Right, Dan has her for the afternoon. They're gonna have some daddy-daughter time, and I'm going to come out here and accomplish something. I think I'm gonna clean up first and then figure out what I'm supposed to be doing. Wait, those. Yes, those. That's what we're doing today. I'm finally gonna get those drawers done. That's what we're gonna do today. After I clean up the mess with the drops on. Well, I know I'm about to make more of a mess, but there's something to be said about starting with a fresh mess versus just adding to a pile that was already there. So, drawer boxes. I'm going to be making kind of two different kinds of drawer boxes. So the one for the table saw isn't going to have drawer slides. It's just going to be a box that slides in and out. But the one for the cabinet in the corner, just like all of these, is actually going to have drawer slides on it. So slightly different. So the table saw one is just going to be a box that's going to take up the full space. Normally I'd leave a gap on both sides so that I could account for the drawer slides. This is not getting a drawer slide. I don't want to have the drawer slides getting all mucked up by the sawdust that's going to fall down, which is already falling down, which is good. Not getting trapped by my saw. Unlike the plywood that I used in order to make that cabinet, melamine, I actually do have enlarged enough pieces that I should be able to just cut this out and put it together. I just have to dig it out of the random compartments I have been tucking it to get it out of my way. So the problem that happened here is partly due to the fact that I glued up pieces. And so it's kind of bowing in slightly, which means it's getting very snug here. I've got more than enough room there because I've got a gap. I've got a gap there, though I could probably cut this down a little. But I don't have a gap right there. And so this is now super snug in there. A snug fit is what I was going for. A snug fit that I can't actually ever remove, not what I was going for. So the entire purpose of this was so that I could remove the box, dump the sawdust, and put it back, and no longer be slowly building up all the sawdust until the point where it binds the blade. All that to be said, I need to take this apart, cut it down, and then put it back together. Alright, so it looks like a 1/4 inch off. It'll get me to where I'm looking to be. That's a box. Now, before I put the bottom on, I'll make sure it actually fits. Because if I have to take it apart again, I don't want to have to take more pieces apart than I absolutely have to. Ah! Good grief. That will work. I can make that work. It's a little bit loose. Can I see? But at this point, I don't care. That works. It slides in. It will slide out. I won't have to tear the whole thing apart in order to get back in there. That'll work. All right, we'll put a bottom on it and call it done. Move on.